So chances are I'm going to get filled at 60 half. So I'll place my limit for the next one at half and half. Lordy, lordy. I'll hold off and see if they want to get a slightly better dip down here, or if they're just going to bounce this back up and take these out. Wow, that rounding on that is terrible. All right. That is a much nicer spot. Got a minute 10 left. Can they make it up to 60.75 and then 61.75? I think they hit 60.75. I didn't get a fill. They're on it. There we go. First objective out. And second objective is 61 for the scalp. I can modify this back to 1. 59 half, 58 half. One tick from the target, couldn't finish the job. Tested the target, no fill. Tested the target on the target. There we go. Out. Nice. Beautiful.